Chapter 7 Reactants Yields Products. A chemical equation is a representation of a reaction where the reactants and products are expressed as formulas. Let's take water for example, H2O. The 2 means it has 2 hydrogen atoms, so the equation for water should be H2 plus O yields H2O. However, not all equations make sense when you first look at them. For example, N2H4 plus O2 yields N2 plus H2O. The product is 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen short. In order to balance the equation, we must change the coefficients, like this. N2H4 plus O2 yields N2 plus 2H2O. Now we have the missing hydrogen atoms and oxygen atom. This shows the mass is being conserved on both sides of the equation. The law of conservation of mass says that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical equation, or a chemical reaction. This is just like the law of conservation of energy, which states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, only converted into another form. There are several types of chemical reactions, including synthesis, which is when 2 or more substances react to form one, and decomposition, the breakdown of a substance into 2 or more. There's also single replacement, where one element takes the place of the other, for example, A plus BC yields to B plus AC, and double replacement, where 2 compounds switch positive ions to form new compounds. AB plus CD yields AD plus CB. Combustion is also a form of chemical reaction. It's when one substance rapidly reacts with oxygen and produces heat and light. Reaction rates tell you how fast a reaction is occurring. A reaction rate is the rate at which reactants change into products over time. There are several factors that affect the reaction rate. Temperature causes the particles to move faster, depending on how high it is. Concentration is how many particles are in the reaction, so raising the concentration means more particles, which allows them to interact more, so the reaction rate is faster. A catalyst is a substance that affects the rate without being used up in the reaction. Chemists use catalysts to speed up reactions quite often. In the next chapter, we will go over acids and bases.